Want to learn MATLAB? Let's try for that one, right? This is the channel providing for you. Let's welcome to the session. Hi, hello everyone. Myself Srinivas too from the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Now I am dealing with the concept of MATLAB. So, what is MATLAB and what is the use of MATLAB in the present environment and how it is useful in nowadays in the various fields and various sectors, how it is going to be useful, that and all we are going to see. Before going into these MATLAB sessions, now first I am let to know that who is the father of MATLAB and what are the things that you need to understand when you are doing MATLAB projects and working with MATLAB, that and all we are going to see in this session. Now let's start our session. So first of all, who is the father of MATLAB? He is the one who is the one of the youngest and professors which we are using the present MATLAB. You are the founder, Cleve Moller. It is developed in 1984 by him on the olden days. Now it is the version, latest versions are coming and so many applications, so many advancements also there in MATLAB. So now let's see what are the prerequisites or requirements to use or to know the or to learn MATLAB. First one, you need to have a first one software. Without software you don't how to work with MATLAB, right? So whether it may be online version or offline version, though two versions are available. And in that, if you want to work with MATLAB, then first you should have an account. That should be first. If you want to work with MATLAB, first you need to create an account in mathswork.com. So first and that and all we will see in following session. And some of the universities are providing campus licenses, some of them are not providing, but for the sake of us now we are talking about free trial and licensed one. If you have licensed one, it's up to you, you can use, but if you don't have licensed one, then I am going to tell you one wonderful opportunity to you learn MATLAB in online itself. Then free trial, some features are not accessible, that means GUI guide options are not working. But even though if you are not working with that one, later on you will learn how to use tools, that and all we are going to see. Now what are the setting up the environment? First must and should you should have the MaxWork account. Then only you will be able to access the MATLAB in online. So later on, after that, where and all you have worked with MATLAB applications, where this MATLAB is going to be useful, in what systems you are using, in various softwares, that is control system, to manage the input and output applications we are using in control system. We are working control system in MATLAB itself, and data visualization, especially in signals and systems, digital signal processing and data analysis, especially we are going to use this MATLAB one. And various projects, if you want to do any projects regarding Arduino projects or robotics or anything, all the tools that are available in MATLAB free. If you buy, then it is okay. If you are not buying, then free trial also some of the features are available. And also you don't want to buy all the softwares like Arduino, Raspberry Pi, all the things. In MATLAB itself, the free softwares are available. You need to just connect the things and upload the code, and through the laptop or PC, you need to connect that system, and you need to run the projects as well as. And now let's see how to create a MathWorks account. You see here, if you click the MathWorks account, first you search mathworksaccount.com in Google, then it will redirect it to in this way. Here I am already created, right? So you need to create one account. So I am creating another one. So create one. So I am entering my Gmail account. So I will go with this one. using another thing. Okay, and select your country. After the which describes who best. As a I'm student, so that's why you are at least 16 years older. Yes. Okay, then click on create. Then continue to access the organization MATLAB license. Use the university. Continue with it. If you don't have the licensed version or you don't have the provision of, means that you don't have campus license, then you need to continue with this mail. I'm going with this mail itself. Then it asks you to verify the email address, so I'm going to my mail. So you need to verify the email address. If you don't get the mail, then click on resend the email. And if you are choosing this one, then it will send a message to that you need to verify your account whether you are created this account or not. So make sure that you need to verify the account before signing in. So it will open. Then it will ask to verify the email. So click on verify the email. Then it will redirect it to create a MathWorks account. So I will go with this one. I am going to enter all of these details. So after all entering the details and click on create button, then you will be redirected to this interface. You don't have any license linked with your MathWorks account. So whether if you have the linked version, then it will show it is linking all your profile is already linked with the licensed email. Or if you don't have the licensed email, then it will show like this. Link a license. If you have license, you can link. Or you need to test with MathWorks. Test drive MATLAB products with a free trial. It means that the MATLAB online itself providing a 256 GB MATLAB drive to store anything that you are created in your MATLAB. So I am clicking try it now. Then it will redirect it to in this way. Download a trial software or anything. Some of the details you need to enter here also. So now I am going to enter the details. In this way you need to enter the details and click on the submit button. Then you will be redirected to this session. Like that. Get started with 30 days free trial, instant access with MATLAB. So you will be able to access your MATLAB free online instant access. So start your MATLAB online free trial, click on that. Then you will be redirected to an MATLAB interface showing like how it is looking like. Wait for that one. It will be redirecting. So you will be able to access the MATLAB through in this way if you don't have the license. So this is the way to create a MathWorks account, and after that you will be able to access the MATLAB online version for 30 days freely. In this way you need to create MATLAB account and you need to use this one. So this is how for this session. If you have any doubts, please comment us below, and if you are new to this channel, so please subscribe my channel. So I am posting weekly one video only for MATLAB especially. If you have any doubts regarding the sessions, and please post in comment box. We will be replying at any time. Okay, thank you for watching.